Royal Caribbean has made some changes to its COVID-19 testing policies, so if you have an upcoming Royal Caribbean cruise, you definitely need to hear this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so Royal Caribbean made an announcement today that all U.S. sailings from July 31st through August 31st that are 5 nights or longer are going to require a negative COVID-19 test, even if you are fully vaccinated. So due to an increase in COVID-19 cases here in the United States, in what Royal Caribbean is calling an abundance of caution, they have made this policy change. So the new policy is all guests over the age of 2 will be required to provide a negative COVID-19 test prior to sailing on any cruise that is 5 nights or longer, even if you are fully vaccinated. Now, like I said, this does go into effect on July 31st and currently goes through August 31st. Now, the test must be done no more than 3 days prior to your sailing, and proof of the negative test will be required at check-in, and of course, any testing will be at the guest's expense. So you're going to have to get this test. You're going to have to pay for this test if you have basically an August sailing aboard Royal Caribbean that is 5 nights or longer. So in a statement from Royal Caribbean, they said this is a precaution. This is an additional layer of protection to ensure the safety of everyone on board. We will continue to monitor public health circumstances as they evolve and make necessary adjustments to our protocols. And all other Royal Caribbean policies concerning COVID-19 and vaccines remain in effect and in place as they currently are. This is the only change they are making as of right now. I mean, so basically this goes into effect here in just a couple of days. And so this can really affect some folks that were fixing to possibly cruise here in the next week or so. So if you are, definitely get that COVID-19 test. That way you have that proof when you arrive to check in. Otherwise, they are not going to allow you to board the ship. And that could be a real vacation ruiner right there. And now the next question comes is, are other cruise lines going to follow suit and start requiring this? None of them have said as of yet. But, you know, the CDC is already increasing the requirements for masks. Here within the United States, we're seeing places like Disney World starting to require the mask again, and some states are starting to require the mask again. So I honestly wonder, are we going to start to see these type of requirements on the cruise ships as well? I kind of expect the CDC to start recommending it for cruise ships, especially if they're recommending it for land-based venues already. We've seen in the past where the masking policies here in the United States, as they change here, they have evolved on the cruise ships as well. When the mask requirements began to go away, we saw them to start to go away on the cruise ships. And I am wondering if we're going to see the reverse of that now, whereas mask requirements come back in the United States, are we going to see them start coming back on cruise ships? Personally, I hope not. I am not looking forward to my September cruise having to be fully masked up. So I really hope that doesn't come to cruise ships. I hope this is something that will be short-lived if it does happen and go away quickly. But we'll keep our ear out, and if we hear anything, see any changes, or any other cruise lines make policy adjustments, we will definitely let you guys know as soon as possible. Alright, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you have, do me a favor, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.